Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change battery icon color on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change the battery icon color so that you can make it more visible, or if you want to change the color which is showing in the battery percentage. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone iOS 26. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply look for the battery settings here. So here you can simply click on that, and if you click on the battery settings, then you will not find any option related to battery icon color. So if you click on battery health and charging, so you can only find the battery health and also optimize battery charging option. But if you want to change the color, then there is the only option that you can simply turn on the low power mode. So if you shift to low power mode, as you can see, the battery icon color has been changed to yellow. So in this way you can simply change the color. But if you want to get more color, which means you want to use different colors of your battery icon, then if you want to look for the option, then there is no option available. There maybe there are apps available which can simply change the look of your iPhone and also the look of your battery icon color. But if you want to change the battery icon color, then you can also change the apps, icons, and also home screen. So if you click on that customize options, and then you can simply click on dark option. So as you can see, in dark option, the battery icon color still remains the same. So if you select clear option or liquid glass option, then the battery icon colors simply remains the same. But if you select a tilted option, the new option is available. The same option is available, and you will not be able to change the battery icon color. So basically there is no still option available to change the battery icon color on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.